What up, YouTube? It's your boy T Money motherfucking Green. Holiday season. See my hair? I gotta see the twister today. It ain't been twisted up. But you know the twister, I have it right. Let's take a little stroll through the house. A little Christmas decorations. Know what I'm saying? Here we go. See, all of a sudden that shit got glittery. You know what I'm saying? The tree. It's a bird in there somewhere. See the angel at the top? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Some gifts already. I don't know who had money for gifts, but I sure don't right now. But I will. So, stick around. Christmas 2009. You know what I mean? My YouTube audience. T Money Green. Needing to see the twister. Hair is all crazy. Boy, oh boy. How that boy do that? I don't know. Talk to you later. Peace.